I'm just going to place it down by my hairline, about 1 inch, 2 inches above my pubic bone, and in line with my belly button. My baby's usually to the left when I find it, but I like to start in the middle just in case he moves around a lot. And I want to show you some other noises too you're going to hear. I'm going to start left here by my hip bone. This is where a lot of people say that they can hear the baby. Usually they're hearing their own heartbeat at this point on the left hand side. It's a little too far to the left, but there's an artery there, and I'll show you the noise once we get this going. There it is, right away. You'll see it'll register pretty fast too. Registers about 118, 116 beats a minute. And what that is you're hearing the blood flow in and out of the artery, so it's fast. And a lot of people mistake that as a baby, but it's not the baby. Alright, so to find the baby, I'm going to go a little bit more to the right and find my placenta first. And once I find that, I can usually find the baby pretty easy. Oh, there's the baby. See if I can get it a little better. Okay, so that's my placenta you're hearing. Loud, just an echo of my heartbeat. And that's the baby. Just gotta let this climb a bit. There we go. Say he's usually in the 170s. So you can hear it's fast. Very distinct sound. Now I'm going to move away a bit again and show you some other noises. I don't like to keep it on them too long. First I'm going to remove the probe from my stomach just to remove the heart rate on the Doppler, because it'll take a while to climb down and up. As you can see, it took a while to climb up when it found the baby's heartbeat. Well, I just put it right back on him. There we go. That's my placenta. Keeps going back to the baby. I'm trying to stay away from him. And as I move it across, you can hear different noises. Going back to where my artery is again. You can hear that's completely different than babies. That's the artery. That's my heartbeat off the placenta. And you can see the different heart rates and the difference in sounds. There you go, that's the placenta. And baby again. Let's see if I can show you where I'm doing this. Like I said, here's my belly button, just below above my hairline. Oh, now the baby's hiding. There we go. You can hear both the placenta and the baby in the background. He's hiding under it. That's how you find them. It's really easy. Start in the center, find the placenta, and then move around, slowly circle your probe until you pick up baby.